What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T2 the great triple OG. Yeah, you know me. How's everybody doing? Top of the morning, and it is top of the morning. Guys, check it out. Today in this video, Tom is gone, so we free to do whatever we like here in the store. So I would like to link up with Francisco, and we're gonna put some work on a Fly Leopard. Tom had this Leopard sitting up, but we're gonna fix it up today, especially while Tom's not here. It's your boy T2. Let's go. Okay guys, so I just pulled the Leopard out, and here, take a look at it. So this is the Leopard that we'll be working on today. Actually what we would like to do, we're going to put a new 700. These bikes, if you guys familiar on my last review, these bikes came with a 500 watt motor, but today we're going to install a 750 watt motor on the back, and we're going to install a 750 watt motor on the front. And also guys, I got a nice set of inverted forks for this bike and a set of handlebars, but I don't know if Tom is going to let us go that far, but we're going to push as much as we can and try to get it done on this bike. Check it out. And here guys, see, here's the 750 watt front wheel. This is a front wheel for the 700. Let's bring this on over. So we got a 750 watt motor going there, and we're gonna put a 750 watt motor here on the back. This is a nice Cinco 244 tire. Sorry guys. So this is what we're setting up on. We're gonna try to get the two 750 watt motors on there onto the Leopard. And if we have time, I'm gonna try to change the stem and the handlebars. Guys, remember, we're trying to get all this done before Tom get back. Tom is out today, so stick around with your boy T2. And I got a lot of other things in store, so hopefully we get a nice video, and I hope this video don't be too long, but I'm gonna try to move on through it, guys. It's your boy T2. Guys, I'm so sorry. I be so busy, man. I be missing so much. I was eating lunch, but Enrique done got started without me. He knew exactly what it was. Check it out, guys. So we got the front wheel on, and we got the back wheel on. Now we're sitting there working with the controller and the lights. Boy, me guys, we over there eating good, you know what I'm saying, and recording at the same time. It's your boy T2. I don't know if these guys are throwing two controllers or if they're throwing one controller. All it really needs is one controller, but I'm testing out the electrical. $750 watt Bafang motor.
Yeah, nice.
$750 watts, guys. It'll be nice to put another Cinco tire on here, but hey, these guys got busy so fast. Like that, I be missing everything on the videos. I'm getting a little rusty with the videos now. Excuse me. And guys, don't forget, I got a couple of extra bikes if anybody interested. I know you guys just seen me sell a Fly 7 for $100, but check it out. Quick glance. I got a yellow Fly 10 here. I just purchased the other day. If anybody interested in it, you know, just hit me up. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely doing it for the low. I know you guys really can't see, but we'll get into that a little later. And a little later, guys, I definitely would like to discuss channel membership, because I want to do the channel membership, and for all you guys that support the channel, you know, I like to get these bikes and a lot of things to you at huge discounts, you know, just to show my appreciation back to you guys. Channel membership, guys, I try to get a lot of you guys bikes under $500, $300, $400. I know you guys love them little $100, $200 bikes, so I'm gonna hold those out for channel memberships. And like I said, if you guys are interested in any bikes, just let me know. Sorry, I'm just blamming off at right now. These guys here's working so fast. But like I said, I got that yellow one there. I just bought that bike yesterday, so if anybody interested in it, hit me up. Oh, this looks like it's gonna get a little technical. So fast, they did everything so fast. Every time I turn the camera around, they getting something new done. Sounds good. What's going on, boss? How you doing, man?
Oh,
How's
shit, I've been looking for you.
What's up? It's your boy T2,
good?
y'all. Yeah, and I'm back, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm just messing with everything today, guys. But it is what it is. The Leopard coming together.
Okay.
Shit, I gotta get this. I gotta get this. My wife ain't gonna believe it. I told her I was gonna catch you.
Because I come by these joints even on lunch when I'm
That's
at
cool.
work. I come here on lunch, bro. To just
Yeah.
hang out and shit.
Yeah, that's definitely the place to be, you know.
Bro, when it get hot,
A lot
I'm
of
gonna have a grill outside just because so many people come just to chill.
the chair, it's a nice
See
environment.
people,
It's
you know what
bike
I'm
life
saying?
out here.
And it's like that, yo. It's cool like that.
It's definitely bike life out here. Here with the boy, just showing a little love, you know what I'm saying? Here with the boy,
Alright.
gotta give a shout out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Evo's
yeah.
for life, we're here, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
alright.
We gonna see y'all. Back to the Dolphin, y'all.
Enjoy just the way you've been doing.
Right, thanks a lot. I definitely appreciate it.
Yo, it's real, bro. You do good work.
Yeah, I appreciate it a lot, man. Thank you so much.
Take that away from a hard worker.
Okay, we got it. It's working, y'all. We got two, y'all.
Oh, you was just talking about this too in the other video that I watched.
Right. No doubt.
God damn it, screw them up. The gifts that they gave you.
Oh yeah, that helmet. Yeah.
That shit is fast.
Believe it or not, I never took that damn thing home. My jacket, like yo. All right.
Yo, my man said, oh damn. I guess I gotta start. Done filled the tires twice, gave me a new inner tube, fixed my brakes. This is all under the car that I did not buy from him.
Yeah.
So he took care of me. So when I decided to get another bike, I gotta go see my man Dom. 'Cause
Right.
he took care of me. I ain't even buy nothing.
That's love. Dom do be
I
looking
gotta-
out.
Yeah, I gotta show him some kind of love.
Definitely be looking out.
So when I started seeing your videos, I'm like, yo, you like bikes like I like them. I think you like them a little more. 'Cause I only got 3 bikes. You got like 150.
I used to have a lot. I be tossing them off now. I don't even hoard bikes no more.
I need somebody to toss at the car.
You want to toss it the car?
I don't know. I want somebody else to toss the car so I can have it.
Oh,
I'm
good
not
luck. You're not
getting rid of my
your.
car. That's a limited edition type bike.
Nah, them bikes so highly in demand. I don't even answer people when they start talking
It's
to cars.
exactly because like
And somebody just boarded the car off of Grand Avenue Fly e-bike. I'm like, how did you get that?
yeah, because sometimes they have them just sitting outside. They sitting outside, but they look a lot like these.
Yeah, that wasn't gonna
So the
last at
Japanese
all.
Dudes, they be like, yo, this is what we got left. Just fuck it. Just take this.
Right.
Because like my last summer, the summer before, was when I got my Dakar.
Mm-hmm.
I was the first one with that shit. I'm so happy.
Nice.
Man, the OG.
Okay, guys, we are moving. Y'all see what's going on with the Leopard. We almost done here. Like I said, we're going to try to get the new bars and forks up on there, but I know Tom is not having that at all, but Tom ain't here to stop nothing, so we on the road, yo. It's your boy T2, let's go. Shit ain't doing shit on number 1. Check it out, y'all. 84 volts. What's this? 84 volts, 6400.
72 volts.
72 volts. 80 amps. God damn, that's nice. That's nice. Let me see that thing, man. Hold on, put that camera on. Oh, God.
I ain't put it on the last one, but it go over like 60.
Yo, it's recorded. How you turn it on?
Just turn the key. But you gotta ease into it. It's gonna lift up on you. Yeah, that
too
shit.
much.
Yeah, that shit's stupid, bro.
That's too much.
It's 80 amps on there. I bought it earlier for some dude for 800. Yeah, that's like a $2,000 bike right there. Brother, call me Obama. I'm gonna say the #1 stunner. Yeah, boy. That shit's stupid. Yeah.
That's a bit much there, kid. Be careful on that shit.
Nah, I know, bro. I'm
Enrique.
getting used to it.
No, Enrique, please. Por favor, feel that. Let him feel that shit. He's the mechanic.
Look, yo,
Enrique, come on, man. Feel that.
You got these type of charges for it?
I believe so. Wow, that's crazy. That's demasiado. That's mucho power. Here's some Fly Guys, y'all. Fly Guy, you be hitting it? It lifts up. Hit it, Fly Guy. Hit that shit. Oh, yeah, that shit pop right up. Yeah, you can't open that up. It's going to fly right up in the air. Nice, y'all. Nice work. Yeah, don't open that up. That's a nice little piece of work, y'all. 72 volts, 80 amps. Nice. 2282 Fly e-bike, y'all. Y'all see what it is. Like I said, Tom not here, so we just having fun today. Lot going on, y'all. Yo, guys, listen. I got a yellow Fly 10 that I just picked up the other day. Anybody interested, hit me up. You know, I try to do less than 500, 400, 300. You know, I can go pretty low on a bike, but hit me up. You guys hit me up and make an offer on it. I'll pull a bike out a little later. So check that out. That's awesome, y'all. Let's get back to it. Yeah, that was a razor joint. That's nice. I definitely could do one of those. I like that. 72 volts, 80 amps. As soon as you hit it, it picks up. Picks up nice. It's clean too. Real clean. That
He
is
gave me the 72 volt, like.
awesome, guys. What you guys think? I believe I know a guy that's selling for 500, 650, but he said he paid 800 for this. This is well worth it, you know, a 72 volt battery, 80 amps. Yeah, you're gonna have fun. That's everybody ride out material there. Yeah, we definitely got a charger for that.
I'll be back, man.
Boss, good luck. I'll see you, all right?
Yeah, man. Yo, the only thing I don't put on zip tie, bro.
What you need?
Zip tie this, because it's like it's real loose.
We got zip ties, we got screws, whatever. Yeah, we can tighten that up.
This is nice though, right, bro?
That's really nice.
800?
That's really nice. What else you got? Guys, I didn't forget you. I know we all over with the Leopard. I'm about to flip that thing over. I don't know if we doing, Enrique, you doing one controller or two controller? Two?
Yes.
Yeah, we doing two controllers on a Leopard. All right. And that's that Fly. I'll pull it out as soon as we get a little space, guys. All right, guys, so I tell y'all, we having too much fun. Tom is gone. Guys, check it out. If you guys interested, I mentioned about the channel membership. Guys, listen, I got a Fly 22 here. Anybody interested in getting the Fly 22, holler at me. I got one of these Fly 22s used. This bike only got 200 miles on it, and the bike is less than a month old. Guys, and I'll take basically any price on this bike. I'm going under 1,500. In fact, I'll go under 1,400. If you guys got any offers, let me know. Like I said, because I'm flushing these bikes out. Tom is not here, so we doing what we want. We doing what we want. Like I said, I got a Fly 22 here. I got a Fly 10. Guys, somebody come and scoop this bike up because it's not going to last. I'm basically letting it go for basically anything. So come and holler at me. So run back on the side and finish up with this Leopard. And plus, we got a lot of copyrights going on. It's your boy T2. I'll see you guys later. One more last thing, guys. Check it out. Bike got 219 miles, and plus I throw in this $200 kryptonite chain. I throw that in for $1. Guys, come and holler at me. Come and snatch this up. I got a kryptonite chain and a bike. I got all the paperwork and everything else. The bike is still under warranty. Guys, come and get it. Like I said, I offer lower prices for channel membership. We'll talk about that later. Damn, they get his bike up half price for channel members. So now we're installing the controllers and the batteries. Oh, they got an extra big battery, trying to figure out where can we place this. Got 2 batteries we're working on. That definitely looks like a good look. Nice. Nice. 1, 2. 1 on the bottom, 2 on top. Palmer nose, guys. Just trying to figure out where to place this extra big battery at on the bike. It's coming along really well. So once we get rid of them bars and them forks, anybody interested, you definitely can holler. Definitely can holler at it. Here is the second seat in case we have to swap the seat out. Got 2 controllers. Maybe the seat can be moved back some. No, not so much. Usually a 48-volt battery could fit right up in here nice and easy, but we got that extended long battery pack. But you know, we're gonna get it to work. Pardon me, guys, you know, we just here getting so much work in, you know. No time today. Guys, like I said, I got plenty bikes. I got plenty bikes up for sale, so guys, please, if you're interested in any bikes, definitely hit me up. And for the channel members, I still haven't announced channel membership, but for the channel members, you guys will receive huge discounts and you guys will get the first offers on all these bikes. And like I said, I got Fly 10s for $500, $400, $300. I got Fly 22s that's negotiable, and a couple of other bikes. So hit me up, hit me up. I'll be unleashing them as I do these videos, so stick with your boy. It's your boy T2, let's go. Still here brainstorming it out. You good? You know good? You good? Pardon me, guys. Everybody just taking it easy today, you know. No time today, so we taking it. We going nice and easy. All right. This is our RZ. It's getting built up right now. Guys, I keep mentioning this Fly 10. I keep mentioning this Fly 10. It's in excellent condition. It's like 900 miles on it. Anybody interested, let me know. Or even so, I got that red Fly 10 out there. I haven't ridden it in a second, you know. Like I said, I still got to put the floorboard down on here. And oh, the good news, I got these 2 new controllers. I just got to install them. And I got to go down the block to pick up the floorboard. So pretty much get that done. Like I said, it ain't much to do. I'm just got the camera on because Tom nowhere around and we doing things a little bit different. So here we go. Okay, guys, it looked like somebody's here to buy a Leopard. Somebody's interested in it. They see the Leopard with the 2 motors and they're thinking about taking it right now.
Porque ahorita no está lista, apenas está ahí. Sí, ahorita lo van a terminar a
Hefe, you taking it? You buying it?
Yeah.
Okay. The Leopard is sold, everybody. Leopard is sold. Leopard is sold. Leopard is sold. Damn, guy walked in just now counting cash like, yo, I'm taking that. He didn't look at nothing else. He said, I'm buying that. All right. It's nice. So the Leopard is sold with the 2 motors. Wow. I don't even think he asked the price, but hey, it's sold. Well, there's no need to put the forks and the handlebars on because this is out of here. This is out of here. Wow, guys. Wow. I really wanted to finish it up and give you guys a full review. I'll finish the build, but that's pretty much all we really, you know. 2 motors looking nice. I bet it rides really good too. That is a handsome upgrade. I gotta figure out later on how much he charged for this bike. There he is, there he is, there he is. What's up, my guy? Put 2 motors on there, right? They're trying to squeeze that battery in there. Alright. Later on.
You gotta put 272-volt batteries, front and back.
Right. Later on, if I get my guy to show you guys how to wheelie them razors, you know what I'm saying? That's a wheelie king right there.
Facts.
If you're from New York, I'm quite sure you guys know my guy as Dot, you know what I'm saying? Always on 1 wheel. Alright. So it look like Quan gonna try to move the seat back so he can squeeze the battery up top. Let's see how that works out. Let's see how that works out. Trying to squeeze the battery up top, or maybe we put it down below, and then we got to find some place to put the 2 controllers. There's 2 controllers down there, them big lights, and so on and so on.
Where you gonna put the battery?
The seat, you mean?
Where you gonna put the seat? I'll take this out. This, no boot. Put battery right here. Take this out. Put battery right here. Nice.
Looks good under there.
Yeah, it looks
Right
better
there.
here.
Okay.
I'll take that rack out.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take that rack out.
That's the grocery bag. It's for the groceries.
I like to put the hooks on the handlebar.
Yeah. So we're definitely trying to figure out where to put the battery.
Yo, put the battery here. Make no hole here. Wow.
Tiene que salir así la batería.
Oh.
Yeah, it won't slide out. I think about cutting the middle and dropping it right down. Oh, they do the most. Yeah, then that way they can slide the battery out.
Yeah. Oh. Nice.
Put it right through the middle.
And then once you cut it, it's gonna make the frame weak.
Oh my God, these guys about to get extreme. They talking about cutting out the middle here so the battery can slide in. Sorry about my noise. Fly e-bike, y'all, 2282, 2nd Avenue, y'all. All right.
I'm gonna be there all day doing that.
Yeah, do that quick.
No.
That's how I picked up the registration. I went there instead of them waiting 2 days till Friday for them to send it.
5 minutes, rapido.
That's why I went to pick it up.
Yeah, you're gonna cut it fast.
I got the plate.
Why, you don't want to record it?
So, tell me something, man.
cut more. Good. Yeah.
Excuse me, you know what you're doing? Yes, sir. That's a master there, boy. How much longer?
Tomorrow. 45.
All right. Boy, getting busy right now, and by the time you came out of retirement, worried up. Nice. So they're gonna put it in so they can drop the battery right in like that. The battery was too big to lay on the top, or if we put it in the bottom, it wouldn't have been able to. It wouldn't have been able to slide open.
Eso para abajo, arriba.
Yeah, so I can pull out the top. Yeah. Switch it up top. Yeah. Oh, they working. Nice. And the battery dropped right in top. Tell me my boy got it.
Todavía está tocando. Sí.
It's a nice tight fit.
Aquí.
It drops.
Ven, mira. Mira, chulo.
So what's the problem?
It's still touching a little bit.
It's hard to slide in.
Yeah, we're gonna sand it right here, and it's gonna slide down.
All right, that's a nice tight fit.
That's a good idea.
2282, guys. Y'all know exactly what it is. All right, no doubt. Okay, so it looks like the battery's going to fit in nicely there. It's a nice fit. It's going right in. Yeah, there's a little space to get it through. There's definitely space to get it through. It's hard to see, but it'll make it through. So guys, we wrapping up late in the evening. I don't know if we're going to get this bike done. Like I tell you, a customer got the bike purchased, so I guess he'll pick it up tomorrow or something, but the bike is rolling, and all we got to really do, we just got to get these two controllers in here. Get this headlight on there, these two controllers, and this display. We test everything. Everything is running already, so that's pretty much good. Let me see the amperage on these.
Is this scooter all good?
750 watts, 12 amps, 25 amp current. It's a 25 amp controller, so that's pretty good. And the battery is 48 volts, 21 amps. That's a really good battery. 48 volts, 21 amps. That battery will ride a long time. So like I said, we got the two motors on the Leopard, and we're working the battery in. Maybe we may remove the cage, but I don't think it's going to be necessary. I really don't think it's going to be necessary. Alright, so we just got the display installed on there. It's nice and clean. Just the wires down. Battery finally got, battery got hooked and he did nice work here. He clinged it to the frame. You guys can see that. Clinged that nicely to the frame. You guys can see the key. So it pulls right out the top now. The throttle. See that work there? You gotta fit it nicely in. Can charge right to the top. And it's not over the frame. It's leveled out nice. So we're just here getting it done. Still continuing on with it, guys. Still getting it done. What's going on? Right, it's fiery.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Guys, walk with me 1 second. This is the Fly 22. All this clone is out of here. Those are speakers on the front. Dual sport tires. I've been seeing these lately without the bars. Look pretty decent. Some muffler protector from the heat. It's a nice cover there. You got a drum brake. Oh, that's this brake back there.
Ese te cae, mira, tiene todo protector. Es que yo creo que depende con la llave. Más que es que hay suavecito, ¿ves?
Looks like it's the front and the back to get connected on the fender. Well, that's a custom fender he's putting on there, so it needs to be modified. So you got 2 hooks, has one here and one in the back. But one is kind of wobbly. Metal fenders, guys. Metal fender in the back. Controllers looking nice. He taped them together. That's 2 controllers. Sorry, guys. Putting the controllers in the bag. Got 2 controllers.
What's that, 150?
2 motor wires.
That's a 150? Yeah. ¿Pastilla? ¿Pastilla? Sí. ¿De dónde? De adelante. Dile que voy a la mesa también, lo voy a poner de la... ¿Dónde
So we have to get 1 wire connected here. Getting these 2 wires connected. That's what he's wiring through now. Sending that wire through to the front and sending one through to the back. And lacing the battery up.